Hi friends and sweethearts, welcome to the Despacito tutorial. Despacito comes in 5 sections. We're going to break them down with the steps and then we'll dance it all together. So starting with step 1. Here we go. We start with 4 steps, right, left. Just go side, 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 side. Then we have a little body roll. 1, 2 to the right, stop, and 2 to the left, stop. We're going to add some arms this time. It goes to the right, left, left. Body roll, stop, body roll, stop. That's part 1. All right, part 2. We just finished those body rolls and slaps. Part 2 is a little heel. It goes, I'll show you the feet first, arms second. Heel, back, and then around 5, 6, 7, 8. Left heel, 4, 2, and around 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the arms are cross in front, open back, cross in front, open back. As we go around, we're going to take the hands to the hips, and we're going around 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll show on this side all together with the heel, open, back, 5, 6, 7, 8. That repeats each side twice. Beautiful. Section 3, Despacito, right for chorus. It says Despacito, the arms come up over the head and drop. That's the intro. And it's a single, double. We go right, left, double. Check out the hips, those are working here. Double left, right, left, double right, and cap 4, 4, other side. Left, right, double left, right, left, again, tie the same starts with right foot, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now on those steps, so section 3, arms are moving across the body, 1, 2, double, good, smooth arms, a little action of the hips, 5, 6, 7, 8, tap, repeat, 1, 2, double left, double right, double left, and 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, you want to have a little hip on that one too. Awesome. All right, y'all. Section 4. Section 4, we're going to pick up the tempo a little bit. We start with a little side step, right, left, for 8 times. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, hip, and hip. Of course, with arms. Arms are coming in and out during those 8 steps. And we're going to flick the hand as we take it side, 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 side. Bring it together. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that repeats. And section 5, the final section, we're going to put it all together. We're going to bring this one has a little accent in it, and you're going to see it right here. We go start with the right foot, moving forward for 4. Arms pump, arms open, chest coming each time, pump, and open. We step, arm, bring the arms in, the little pump goes, pa, feet together, right arm, left arms up, hip accent, pa, arms down. Up the tempo, that goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, together 4, 5, and 6, and 7, arms down, 8, move back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, together 4, 5, and 6, and 7, arms, 8. So those are all 5 sections. The only thing on the last course, Despacito, we have a little bit of different arms. I'm going to show you that. That's our bridge to the finale. So it starts 1, 2, arms open up. Puerto Rico, left, right, to the side, arms bring it down, double right, and then in the 4th, we're going to walk around 5, 6, 7, 8, to repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, flick, 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 it last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Flick, flick, 7, 8, and